Hello and welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. I am down on a stunning river here. Look at this. I've got a massive gravel bar. It's really slow down point in the river. Now further downstream and further upstream, there's some places where you could probably run sluice box, but along here it's just all flat. Before the rain kicks back in again, I'll just show you, I'm tripping over things here, the setup I have in terms of equipment. This is the equipment I have today. Very advanced technology. It's classifier, a pan, a little pry bar and the plastic trail. So where are we digging? Well, let's have a look here. You see the way all the rocks are just packed in like this, and they're like almost like concrete. Now the problem with this is, look, it's all very loose sand. So when we had a lot of floods a while back, the floods would have pounded on through here. Now yes, there will be gold here, but it'll be a lot deeper down. And look, we have all this iron material here. I'll take samples from multiple places. I'll definitely take from there, that red material there. So what we're going to do is, this red material here, this iron, yeah, that's much better. See, as a comparison to this, look, that's just sand. You might get a little bit of gold in that, but look at this, thick gravel, get a bit better chance. Excellent stuff. Just get one more scoop from somewhere else. Maybe somewhere along here. Yeah. Lovely. Excellent stuff. So rather than me digging a hole big enough to take the whole pan in and cover it underwater, what I'm going to do is just make it deep enough that I can pan into. For the time being, I'll just put water in by hand with the trail. I got a bit of gravel with that. No big deal because we're sampling a wide area. But the more samples we can get, the better. Boom. Yeah, that's a nice full pan. That's not gonna work. I definitely need waders here, but I don't have them. As I say, it was a long old trek to get here. Right, let's try that again. Okay, that's not too bad. We're down to the smaller stuff, it's easier. I cleaned out the pan beforehand, so that's not too bad. Some nice dark material with iron, which is good. And 1, 2. Again, I don't salt, so I don't know if there's gold here. If there's gold here, happy days. I'm coming back with a sluice box. Right, let's have a quick gander here. Are we on the gold? Are we on the gold? Oh. Oh, Oro! Oh, wow! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of gold. Very nice. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Those two pieces stick together. 4, 5, 6. Little pieces of gold. Happy days. So 6 pieces of gold for 2 trails. Happy days. We're on the gold. There will be a part 2 to this video in the future. I'm going to definitely come back here with a sluice box, sucker tube, all the tools. So hope you've enjoyed today's episode of sample panning a gravel bar. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones that we post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, I'll catch you next time. We can all go. Bye more shiny. Bye bye.